Hi, I'm Jennifer Kale, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, spicy pumpkin cheesecake. So you can see that the pumpkin puree has mixed in beautifully, and we've got a nice, smooth consistency, and we're ready to pour it into our pan. Our next step, putting the pumpkin cheesecake into the crust. First, before we do that, we're going to put a foil layer around the bottom of the springform pan. As I mentioned earlier, because it is in two pieces, it can leak quite easily. So we're going to prevent that by pulling out a piece of foil. We want it to be a little bit wider than our pan, and we're just going to bring it up over the edge. You don't want it to go up to the top of the pan. You just want it to come up so that it's covering up the edge of the bottom like this. Now you should be able to get it on there so it's tight enough so you're not worrying about it falling off. And now it's time to add our cream cheese pumpkin mixture. And because this is rather liquidy with the addition of the eggs and the pumpkin to the cream cheese mixture, it's not going to have any problems getting a nice smooth top. You just want to scrape that bowl, get it all out there, and you can see it's nice and smooth, and it comes to just below the crust of the pie, the cheesecake. That's going to be okay because we've beaten those eggs. This is going to rise a little bit. It's going to get a little bit lighter. So we want to make sure that there's plenty of room. It looks like this cake pan is huge for what we're doing, but it's going to rise a little bit, and so you want to make sure it's not going to overflow because that's going to create a real mess in your oven.